Oh, hey! The other day, my friend got me this Lego flower bouquet from the Botanical collection, and in this video, I just want to assemble all these Lego pieces and show you what it looks like in the end. What better thing to have, like to combine flowers and Lego. So I'm pretty excited about this. Looks like this could be maybe a tulip or supposed to resemble a rose. This could be a dahlia maybe. These are probably daisies. This very much reminds me of the the blooms of heucheras. Probably not supposed to be heuchera blooms, but this is what they look like to me. And these could even be maybe snapdragons or lupins? Not sure. Yeah, pretty excited about this. I have quite a nice vase, so will have a place where I can put these, where I can place this flower bouquet. So let's open this box. So there are 756 pieces, so quite a lot. So I will show you what's inside the box. Inside the box we have 6 packages with Lego pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have the instructions here on how to assemble the flower bouquet. These are the instructions. Oh, they actually explain what kind of plants there are in the flower bouquet. It looks like I wasn't too far off. So I have the rose. Those are snapdragons. Oh, I have them in my garden at the moment as well. Can you see them? Those are snapdragons. Oh, it's lavender. Aster, so it's not a dahlia after all. Yeah, the common daisy, as I thought. Ooh, and the California poppy. Yeah, pretty excited. Yeah, and now they will tell us how to go about assembling the Lego pieces. Let's begin with the roses and the daisies. The daisies are done. Very cute. And here are the roses. Very pretty. And now the snapdragons and the poppies. This is probably my favorite bit so far. These yellow Lego people hands are used for the flower as well. Very cute. And that's the poppy done. And the Snapdragons are done. And finally the Aster and Lavender. And this is the Lavender done. And this is the Aster done. So I'm done with the assembling of the Lego pieces of the Lego bouquet. Now it's time to arrange it in my vase. So this is the vase that I have. I bought it a few weeks ago. I love the yellow-pink combination. I think it will suit the Lego flowers quite well. I'll start with the daisies. Yeah, I put a little bit of plastic in the vase because I didn't have, it was too low for the Lego pieces. The Snapdragons. Yeah, this was probably the most difficult cut flower to make. All these tiny pieces. They not only have flowers, but also some foliage pieces. So I will try to place them somewhere in the middle to give the eye a little bit of a place to rest. And also these leaves. Okay, I think I'm done. So this is the final arrangement. It looks really pretty. Don't you think? I mean, even though those are Lego, it's a Lego bouquet, doesn't smell as good as real flowers, but I think it looks really pretty. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon. Bye bye.